up to the gas station. Empty, just the way I love it. It is 2 in the morning though. Let's pull up. Ooh, gas is going down too. Hell yeah. We're gonna head to downtown Houston. It's like 2 a.m. Why not? Do a little, you know, late night cruise around the highway right now. The drone's not bad. After putting that rear seat delete back here, even with the window down, both windows, 6th gear, it's perfectly fine. Like, there's literally no drone. Roll the windows up. I mean, it's quiet as hell in here. Honestly, too quiet. And it's to the point where I'm like, man, I kind of want to get like Corsa Extremes with this car. Because this is hella quiet, man. That's the one thing I do miss about having like the no rear seat backing is the sound. Some people might not like it, but man, I did enjoy that. Even in 6th gear, I know 6th gear the valves are closed, but I mean, let me go shift into 5th. I mean, windows open. Like, it's definitely doable, man. It's definitely doable. Definitely doable, 100%. But let me know what you guys think about these nighttime POVs. If you guys want to see more of these on the channel. Honestly, I love driving at night. Even like more at night than I do during the day, to be honest with you. It's just chill, just to, you know, relax and stuff like that. So let me know what y'all think, man. I'll even be driving fast. Like, I'm driving like under 70. I'm just cruising. People be flying by me going like 100. I'm like, man, I'm just chilling and cruising. You know, just enjoying the car. All right, we downtown. Damn, they getting lit over there. Damn. I forgot how fucking bad these roads are in Houston. And there's probably cops everywhere. It is a Friday night. Hey, people are out. People is getting crazy out here. Damn, bro. Man, we for real hitting every single light though. As far as green, can't even see what's going on. Probably finna make a left up there, I think. I wonder what these downshifts would sound like out here. Like, this shit would probably be ridiculous. Oh yeah, like the echo, yeah, it's OD. The echo is OD. Oh yeah, it's OD. Woo! Yeah, it's OD. Oh my God. Go too far down to where I'm like, damn, that Mustang is dropped. Hey, this Voodoo sounds 10 times better in the city. I ain't gonna cap. This thing sounds 10 times better downtown. Yeah, we finna make a turn right here. That's on one way. See, that's the thing, I don't really know my way downtown. It's like there's a lot of one-way streets and shit. Woo! Only problem down here is I gotta worry about these damn roads down here. Hey, this hoe sounds nutty. They got the bikes and shit too. This shit be sounding crazy down here. People are straight cruising out here. It was a nice Corvette. These roads are ass though. I can't even I can't really go too quick. And I know for a fact they keep these roads ass down here so people like me don't come through and just start blowing through all, you know, just bucking it through the city. I know that for a fact. These roads are ass. I'm telling y'all, hey, look, Chicago got better roads than this. What the fuck? Hey, this is terrible. Like, Houston, what the hell's going on, man? We got a problem here. Give him a little rev. Fuck you. That Dodge probably think I was revving at him, but shit, dude. Yeah, these roads are so bad you can't even have no fun out here. I know for a fact they keep them shitty for that reason though. What's going on up here? Man, I'm finna jump on the highway and get out of here, man. These roads are so shit, you can't do nothing, man. Like, for real. Oh, the pops. Alright, y'all, so I'm back on my side of town now. Man, those Houston, ooh!
Traffic lights, turn right onto Derry Ashford Road.
Ooh! Oh my goodness! About to pull up, man. It's like, I don't even know what time it is now. Shit, it's probably close to 3 o'clock right now. No cap. Alright, pull up to another gas station right now. Yeah, it's probably close to 3 o'clock. This place don't even got E. Oh, Oh, undercover. And they out. They are out in force. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the POV drive through downtown Houston. Could not go crazy because the roads are pretty bad. I forgot how bad they are. I don't really be going downtown too much, so it's nice to get out there once in a while, but you do got to be careful, not only for potholes, but the police. So if you guys enjoyed and want to see more of the nighttime POVs, make sure y'all, again, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications, man. This cello pops, and I mean absolutely pops at night and at gas stations. God damn. Cannot wait to go ahead and get the welds on this car. It's gonna be absolute mint.